Hello, everyone. I am Victoria. We are Agxes, and we are the agricultural credit intelligence infrastructure with our first product, the AI AgLoan Assistant. Imagine this. You're the CEO of a bank, it's a Friday afternoon, and you're at the beach in the Caribbean with a drink in hand. Your ag lending portfolio is growing in double digits, and you didn't have to hire a single new underwriter. Every farmer you serve is delighted with a fully digital and speeded up experience. No more chaos with spreadsheets and PDFs, just business flowing like the tide. It's not a dream. This is what happens when your bank uses Agxes. Now, let's come back to reality. Today, for every single agricultural loan being analyzed, it takes at least 3 people, 30, 60, or 90 days. The credit quality is limited and time is wasted in manual processes just to get a yes. One loan can cost up to $4,000 just to be processed. These are problems that I have experienced as a farmer and as an independent consultant for a development bank that inspired me to create Agxes. Now, if we multiply $4,000 across the thousands of loans in your portfolio, it is clear why agricultural lending is the highest in operational costs among the US banking industry. The result is that institutions are underlending to viable producers and overpricing uncertainty. Today, 70% of US farmers, your potential customers, are underserved or non-served at all. Not because they are unqualified, but because it is too costly to serve them. At Agxes, we started with one question. What if we could lower the cost of capital and enable lending teams to do in minutes what they now take months to do, with better credit quality? We are not replacing people. We are amplifying them. That's why we built the AI AgLoan Assistant that replaces spreadsheets, PDFs, and limited agronomic expertise, cutting processing times by 95% and lowering operational costs by 50%, enabling lenders to expand their customer base with control and transparency into how the money is being used and detect red flags in seconds. Now, invest your time in building stronger relationships with your farmers and create new and better sources of income. It is not just lending automation, it is intelligence at your fingertips. Let's come back and see how it works today. A new farmer applies for a loan, and the loan officer receives dozens of PDFs, spreadsheets, scans, and reports that must be manually downloaded, reconciled, rewritten, and clarified through multiple back and forth exchanges. The process takes between 2 to 4 weeks, with over half of the analyst's time on manual spreading, version control, and correcting inconsistencies. The result is higher costs, delayed decision, and avoidable errors, and highly trained professionals doing clerical work instead of underwriting risk. Now, let's imagine a different scenario. In collaboration with our data partner, Equifax, we have developed the AI AgLoan Assistant. The same farmer, the same documents, but the infrastructure has changed. You upload the full package, and within seconds, you have data collection that goes automatically in your forms. Financial statements are structured. Spreading is done automatically. Ratios are calculated deterministically. Market prices are forecasted with USDA databases. Red flags are identified across documents. We extract intelligence from ongoing relationships that you can already have in your databases to compare terms, success rates, and behaviors. A structured, consistent credit memo is generated. We integrate satellite imagery for third-party anti-fraud verification, transforming behavior into creditworthiness. Also, we bring water risk validation, matching the crop with the water availability to secure a successful repayment. We do all this within seconds, and here is the key. These do not replace your judgment, it elevates it. Agxes combines deterministic financial modeling, visual language models, machine learning models, and large language models. Our moat is unique domain expertise plus an intelligence layer to turn deep domain knowledge into clear, actionable guidance that supports faster and more accurate decisions. We don't remove the credit officer, we remove the friction around the credit officer. Before Agxes, growing your portfolio meant more staff, higher costs, and greater risks, with little standardization. With Agxes, every loan becomes data-rich, standardized, and trackable, all at a fraction of your current costs. Agxes is transforming financial services that were once too slow, too expensive, or too exclusive. I am Victoria Tostado. I am co-founder and CEO of Agxes, and I am a farmer, an MIT MBA, and a Fulbright scholar. My co-founder Oscar is a National Physics Olympiad absolute gold medalist, MIT double degree, and AgTech innovator. Together, we are bringing the finance platform for agriculture in the age of AI. And when you finally take that break, if your phone lights up, it will be with reports showing profitability growth. Let us earn your confidence with clear ROI. We'll turn a 30-day proof of concept at no cost, without requiring a dedicated team, and show you tangible efficiency gains. It is a web app that can be deployed in just a few seconds, integrated with your data. Together, we can access a new future for all. Thank you.